back to the channel. Those of you who are new to the channel, we are renovating our 1927 Cape home.
We are currently working on our enclosed porch.
We found vaulted ceilings, so we got a lot of work to do there. Ready to go, hon?
I'm ready. Stay tuned.
Let's do it. Here I'm cutting the insulation, making room for the LED light to slip right in. It's about 11:15 o'clock. The kids are sleeping. Yep, I'm getting this done. I'm gonna tie in the electrical that we see here at the top here. I'm gonna put a box up there, and I'm gonna put might put a little full beam up there over the down rod that's gonna go up. Let's get this done. That's in. That's in, baby. Make all my connections now. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you what I did here. Here I tied in my hot, tied in my neutral, which is white, and tied in my ground. This here is the power that's coming up from that switch. My switch is down there, you can see it right there. It's gonna tie in the power to the lights. I have a 3-switch rocker. I'm gonna put this right on. And there you go. Hey, what's up guys? It's next day. We are here to start sheetrocking, start putting some skin on the walls. Let's get going. What do you think, Javen? We think we can do it all in one day?
Sheetrock.
Let's go. Okay guys, Javen's just sweeping up here. We're gonna start taking care of all this lower half, start sheetrocking this whole entire area here. All the 2x4s that were rotted are now gone, they're replaced. And then we're gonna start taking care of the upper half here and get this all done. I think that we can do it. What do you think, Javen?
We got this.
We got this. Okay, we have a higher point here and then that gradually gets a little wider over here. So we're gonna cut our sheetrock the same exact way. I'm gonna measure from the tip here down to the bottom, same as this one right here, and just measure our width. And that's gonna give me the sheetrock pop right in. Let's make that cut. We have lights in here? Let there be light! Having a snap chalk is the best way to go about trying to cut for an older house. Everything doesn't line up. You can get a T-square, L-square, it doesn't matter. Get a snap chalk line and erase all your troubles. Start at one end, put it at the other. Yes, you're bossing it. All right guys, I want you to take a look at what I dug out of here. I found another rotted piece of timber, and this is what you have is old-fashioned termite damage. Look at that. There ain't nothing left of this lumber right here. Used to be a 2x4. Crazy. Look at that, huh?
That is sad.
Now, there was an inspection report, like I said, that we had, I guess when she bought the house, that there was treatment done. But I think we might have to revisit just to make sure that this is not going to be in our future anymore. Had to rip this out, get a new piece in it. gonna be finishing up this wall over on this side. We're gonna be doing a paint job.
My job.
And we're gonna get it going for you next week. Stay tuned, it's gonna be exciting.
Stop! Before we end the video, I wanted you guys to help us welcome the new addition to our family, Benji!
What do you gotta say for yourself, boy? What do you gotta say for yourself? Hey, stop looking at my camera.
You're my best
I
friend.
think we got a dog in the house.
Alright,
that's coming. What do we got?
I'll be a fool, drifting the deep
Look
Just like the movie. I was gonna stay in the fight with you. We would do this until we couldn't do it. Pushing every high, every night.
Oh my god.
You and me so curious. We were just
He's home. I know, he's a nice dog. He's well managed. He loves Justin. He loves Justin. Look at him. Yeah. Hey, good dog.